Hi, I'm Tom Webb with Cat. Today we would like to go over the startup and shutdown procedures of the Sullair 1600 Tier 4 air compressor. Step 1, turn on the battery isolation switch. Rotate the switch clockwise. Turn the switch to the on position till the panel lights up. Once the machine is ready to start, press the start button. Once the unit is ready to stop, press the stop button. When the unit is off, turn the isolation switch off. This will prevent the battery from draining when the controller is on.